Namaskar, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Salasar Balaji. Have you ever wondered why millions of devotees travel hundreds of kilometers to visit Salasar Balaji in Rajasthan? What makes this temple so unique compared to other Hanuman temples? Today, we're going to explore 10 amazing facts about Salasar Balaji that will leave you fascinated. Stay until the end because the final fact is truly remarkable. Let's begin. Fact 1. A unique idol of Hanumanji. The idol of Salasar Balaji is one of the rare depictions of Lord Hanuman with a beard and moustache. Most Hanuman idols show him as a youthful warrior, but this distinctive appearance makes Salasar Balaji instantly recognizable and deeply revered by devotees. Fact 2. The idol's discovery. According to temple tradition, in 1754, a farmer in the village of Asota discovered the idol while plowing his field. That same night, Saint Mohandas Ji and the local ruler are believed to have received divine dreams directing them to install the idol at Salasar. This event marks the beginning of the temple's spiritual history. Fact 3. More than 270 years of faith. For over 270 years, Salasar Balaji has remained one of India's most important Hanuman pilgrimage sites. Every day, thousands of devotees visit, and during festivals the number grows dramatically. Fact 4. A temple of hope. People come to Salasar Balaji to pray for strength, courage, success, and peace of mind. Many devotees share personal experiences of feeling spiritually uplifted after their visit. These experiences are matters of personal faith and devotion. Fact 5. The coconut tradition. One of the most well-known traditions at the temple is offering a coconut to Balaji. For devotees, the coconut symbolizes humility, gratitude, and sincere prayer. Fact 6. Grand annual fairs. The temple comes alive during Hanuman Jayanti, Chaitra Purnima, and Ashwin Purnima, when lakhs of pilgrims gather for worship, devotional singing, and community service. Fact 7. The Akhand Jyoti. The temple is known for its sacred Akhand Jyoti, or eternal flame, which represents unwavering devotion and divine light. Many visitors pause here for quiet prayer and reflection. Fact 8. Pilgrims from across India. People from every corner of India, and even from abroad, visit Salasar Balaji. The temple welcomes devotees regardless of language, region, or background, making it a symbol of unity through faith. Fact 9. A spirit of service. The temple is also known for its culture of seva, or selfless service. During major festivals, volunteers help organize food distribution, guide pilgrims, and support temple activities. Fact 10. Why is Salasar Balaji so special? For millions of devotees, Salasar Balaji is not just a famous temple, it is a place where they feel connected to Lord Hanuman through prayer, devotion, and inner strength. The temple's unique history, traditions, and atmosphere continue to inspire visitors year after year. So, these were 10 amazing facts about Salasar Balaji. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos about India's famous temples, history, and spiritual traditions. Until next time, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Salasar Balaji. Location flag.